Seamark AXI9000, high-speed CT-type X-ray fully automatic inspection equipment, unique 3D CT reconstruction technology, and high-precision flat panel detector, can clearly inspect micro-defects, including solder ball voids, solder bridging, misalignment, HIP, and 32 kinds of common solder defects, adopts a 3-layer gantry structure with linear motors, supports fully automatic inspection from 50 by 50 mm to 610 by 510 mm. Meet the strict demands of high-end manufacturing fields, from consumer electronics to automotive electronics and 5G communications. Professional GPU image workstation, realize real-time data processing, micro-focus X-ray source, 50 to 130 kV adjustable, ensure clear and stable imaging, supports integration with MES systems, make quality control more intelligent and efficient, whether it's the 01005 ultra miniature component or the large IGBT module. Seamark AXI9000 can clearly reveal the truth and ensure the quality of your products.